Hello friends, hope you are all doing well. So today's video is basically going on a modification of color of my Flysky transmitter. Actually today I have two colors, one is red and one is golden. Today I am going to choose golden because it looks premium and some stylish for this type of transmitters. If you want red color, you can comment in the comment section. I will do a separate video for that. So let's get started. First of all, we need to open the transmitter. I'll quickly open it. So as you can see, I have opened these 4 screws. So now I will separate the back panel from the main panel. Here are 2 wires. One is for trainer switch and for main battery switch. So let us keep this thing aside. We should not touch this thing because it has a main motherboard. It is a bit risky to work upon it. So let us keep this side. So today we are going to work upon basically this back panel. So I am going to remove this battery and a power supply. So quickly I will remove this battery and power supply. So friends, as you can see, I have removed all the stuff over here. So we need to cover the trainer switch and the modifications done before. So I'm gonna cover these things with this tape. So I will quickly cover these things. So friends, as you can see, I have covered this white color logo. White means white, our modification before, we have done this before, and a trainer switch. I am not going to cover this part as I'll be coloring this part also. So just cover this part, and remember this is a trainer switch. So it is must to cover this place. So let's begin to color. So basically before I am going to stick a paper over here, so we will not damage any other instrument. So as you can see, I have covered everything up, and but before spraying we need to mix up the color. So after that we need to slowly begin to spray. As you can see, I have colored everything quite professionally. So there is we need to cool this down. So let this thing be away for nearly around 1 hour. So let's meet after 1 hour.
2,000 years later.
So guys, as you can see that the finishing and the color looks a premium. So the back panel is ready of our transmitter. So this is a part 1 video. In part 2 I am gonna remove all this stuff, these gimbal sticks, all the chromium and the switches, everything I am gonna remove. Our display gonna remove all these things, and in part 2 I am gonna color this. So stay tuned and be safe. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and like and share, comment. Thank you.